get down these rocks without breaking my leg. Get on down. Oh, we got some good current today. Water's a little low, but the current's strong, so that actually should be pretty good for stripes. We will see once I get down there and get rigged up. All right, so here's the rig. Running a 20-pound braid down to a swivel, down to a 50-pound mono leader, about 3.5 feet, to a 1-ounce hammered spoon. And hopefully they'll be hitting the spoon today. If not, we're gonna switch to a jig and weight. But my friend said they've been hitting spoons, so that's what we're gonna try. Yes, there we go. Got a bite. Had to switch to the jig and bobber. Come here. Ooh. What we got here? I don't know if it's a stripe or not. He's not really running like a stripe, but we will see. Ooh. I don't know what this is. I'm thinking a drum, maybe. Get him up. I mean, it could be a stripe. He doesn't seem like one. Oh yeah, it's a stripe. It's cutting up here at the end. Yeah. See if we can land his ass. Oh yeah, that's what we're going for. Uh-oh. Got him on a rock. Pretty good one. Come here, boy. There he is. Let's take a look at this hoss. Oh yeah, he ain't small. Yeah. Really? Oh yeah. Fat hybrid stripe. That's what we're going for. See if we can get him in the sun. He's yours? I'll get him to you. Yeah. It's about probably 6-7 pounds. Oh. Oh. Yep. That's one. Yep. Oh, he's going the wrong way though. Don't go that way. Come here. He's going towards the rocks. I'm a little worried now. Uh-oh. You got me by the rocks. Oh. Come here, boy. Oh. He is angry. Come here. Get over those rocks. Get over those rocks. Yeah. Come, oh, where you going? There he is in the foam. Oh, brother, come here. Oh. Come here. Here he comes. Oh. Oh. Come on, bud. Oh, yeah, it's a hybrid. That's what we're looking for. There he is. Come here, guy. A little smaller than the last one. Come here. Come on. I got you. Oh, I got you. Come here. Maybe he got smaller than the last one. Him on the white jig. Super fluke. Oh yeah. About the same size in the 6 to 7 pound range. Good fish. Oh, look at him. That's a hybrid stripe. That's what we're going for. We'll come put him in this man's bucket. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Get him. Yeah, I don't know. It might be a stripe. Feels good on the new reel. Get out of them rocks. Get up out them rocks, boy. Oh, he ain't happy about it. Yeah, he's got some weight to him. Come here. I don't know what he is. I thought he was a stripe, but he ain't really fighting like a stripe. We'll see. Have to chase him. Oh, it's a stripe. Yeah, I got fish. Oh, it's a good one. Yeah. Come here, boy. First fish on the new reel, and he's a hell of a stripe. This might be my PB if I land him. Oh, I think that's my PB. Oh my goodness, that is a stripe. That is easily my PB, I think. Can you do me a favor? In the front pocket of my thing, there's some fish grips. Oh my goodness. Look at that. God, I wonder why he felt like a catfish, because he's freaking fat. Oh my goodness. Recording, yes. Very front side pocket that's about to. Good Lord. That is a fat hybrid. I think he's gonna be coming home with me. Let me get the scale. It's over 10. Looks like 10.6. Whew, that's my new PB. 10 pounds, 6 ounces. Oh my goodness. Finally hit a double digit. Look at him. Beautiful day out here. 10 pounds, 6 ounces, new PB. Yeah, all right, let me show y'all what I was throwing, if you didn't see it, just in case. I'm just throwing a little 1/8 ounce jig head with a little white ice Zoom Fluke Junior. Connected to 50-pound mono leader with 1.5 ounce inline weight. And I got that running to my main line, 20 pounds. But my goodness, I finally broke double digits. Sorry, y'all, I'm freaking out. Good Lord. Whew. I can't tell what he is. Might be a stripe. He might head y'all's way. Oh, he got heavy all of a sudden. He is angry. Come here, boy. Look out, Summer. I got to come over there. He's going that way. Oh, it's... Oh, he's just going everywhere. Hey, JD, you see this? This fish grip's right behind you? Thank you. That's got to be a stripe. Oh, yeah, it's a stripe. Come here, boy. Get around them rocks. Come here. Oh. Nice. Oh, I thought, oh, my bad. Yeah, just this 10-foot rod, yeah. You just pull up when you put them down there. Thank you. There. Oh, he's angry, all right. Oh yeah. Hybrid stripe. 8.7, right? That's what it said, yeah. Ain't nothing wrong with him. All right. Look at the belly on him. Good fish. Ooh, I love when these stripes are running. All right. One more last view of them. 8 pounds, 9 ounces. Let's get them back. Wait for the right wave. All right, buddy. There he goes. Oh yeah. He feels heavy. We will see. It's coming at me. I hope this is a stripe. He hit good. He's just coming right at me. Oh, he's starting to get a little heavier. Woo. Come here, boy. All right. Oh, there he goes. Come here. I don't want to lose him on the rocks like the last one. Oh, woo-hoo. He is pissed off. Oh yes, stripe. He just woke up. Hey, I got a fish, sorry. I can't control it. Oh, decent one. He is angry is what he is. He does not want to give up. Yeah. Got him coming back against the current. Oh, he's fat. Oh, don't lose him now. I think I've got it. Holy, almost just ate it going for him. Oh, yes. Now I just gotta figure out. Oh, he broke me off. Right at the, I don't know how I just landed and my line's broken. Wow. How did that happen? It was a 1 ounce. We're gonna put him back. Look at that guy. A little bloody, but tank of a hybrid. 8-1. All right, buddy, get in there. There he goes. Thanks for the fight, brother. Same spot. Yeah, right on the corner. He feels lighter though, I don't know. He might just be coming at me. He's going left though. I don't know, it might be a drum. He hadn't really kicked off yet, yeah. I don't know though, he's getting heavier now. I'm gonna go over you. Oh, he ain't no drum. Come here, boy. All right. Woo! He's taking off now. Stripe for sure. He's cutting up right here at the end. I think it might be a sea run. It's definitely a sea run. And he ain't that small either. That's my biggest sea run for sure. That is a stripe. True stripe. I forgot my dang grips over there. Oh, he is angry. Good Lord. That's my best true stripe ever. Let's go get a weight on him. Please tell me I'm recording. Oh, it's a striped bass right there. I catch a lot of hybrids here, but not that many true stripes. That's easily my biggest one. I'd say he's probably, let's find out what he weighs actually. We got the scale. I think you're probably right. Ooh. $10.9. Woo. That is 2 ounces, 3 ounces bigger than my biggest hybrid. New PB. 10 pounds, 9 ounces. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. 10 pound, 9 ounce. Easily my best true stripe. Look at that donkey. Hell yeah. Whew. I'm gonna have to get a couple pictures with him. Look at him in the sun. 10.9. 10, my new PB. 10 pounds, 9 ounces. Solid stripe. Yeah. Yeah, he's got a belly on him. Look at that. Look at that belly. Dude's been eating. You want him, right? All right. My first big true stripe.